Okay guys, look at this anvil here. It's crazy looking. This is insane. This is an insane looking anvil. Look at this. See, right here's the anvil. This is like around here, and then this is, you know, the thing. Down there's the base. There's rain in the middle there. But this anvil is so big. It's a huge one. This is one of the biggest anvils I've ever gotten. It's the closest I've ever got to one even. Wow, it's just amazing looking. Whew. That base is crazy. Scud clouds even. Please like and subscribe for more of these. Goodbye.